One fast food hamburger contains meat from over 100 different cows.
French fries are the most eaten vegetable in America.
Each day, 1 in 4 Americans visit a fast food restaurant.
You would have to work for 7 hours straight to burn off a supersized Coke, Fry, and Big Mac.
Dairy Queen strawberry milkshakes contain more than 50 different chemicals.
40% of American meals are eaten outside of the home.
1 in every 3 children born in the year 2000 will develop diabetes in their lifetime.
How often do you eat at home and how often do you go out to eat?
We eat at home almost every night.
So what do you like about home-cooked meals?
Well, I like the food for one thing. You get to eat what you want and prepare it the way you want it, and you can also eat more healthily if you eat at home.
Where do you eat most often and why?
Most often I eat at my house, and I eat there because it's the healthiest and because it's the cheapest by far.
Where do you eat most often and why, seeing as you actually work here?
Most of my meals I eat here.
Okay.
My wife lives over in Elyria, Nebraska, which is like 290 miles away, and I commute here on weekdays, and so I'm here for the weekday, and then generally I shoot back on weekends, except the month of November I'm here the whole month. So, but breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Where do you eat most often?
Most often? Here in my bedroom, you know.
Okay.
Because I have school, work, and home, so that's really all I do.
Right. So like breakfast, lunch, and dinner all at home.
Well, sometimes I'll get like breakfast at McDonald's before I go to class, something like that. But typically, yeah, here.
Okay.
Where do you eat most often?
I mostly eat over at the college, at the grill or the cab, and when I'm working like clothes or lobby, I eat here because meal is provided.
Okay. Why do you choose to eat at the college
Because
instead of eating out?
Well, it's because it's cheaper and it's probably better lifestyle, healthier. It's healthier.
Besides nourishing their body, it nourishes their spirit.
Do you like how you dine the majority of the time?
I do like it. I find that if I don't eat at my house, I normally get sick from things that are in food other places.
Do you like how you dine most of the time eating here?
Yeah, because I watch what I eat. I have to, because I'm getting there in age.
Yeah.
I have to watch. I eat a lot more salads than I used to. I eat, chicken breasts. I get off the deli and make my own salsa. I don't use ranch dressing because that's bad for you, but everybody eats ranch dressing just about. If you take a little bit of ranch, and I use a lot of salsa.
Yeah.
Because there's really no calories in salsa.
Like how you dine the majority of the time, or would you change it?
I'd like to have lobster sometimes.
Do you like the way you dine?
Yeah.
Do you think that cooking their own meals would be a good choice for students here at Stratton State College?
Well, yes, I do.
Do you think other people should dine the same way that you do?
I would encourage them, yes, too. There's a startling obesity statistic in the United States that would back my thought process up of eating at home is a lot healthier.
Do you think other people should dine the way you do?
People dine the way they want.
Do you think that people should eat the same way that you do in terms of how much you cook at home, how much you eat out, stuff like that?
I wish I could actually cook at home more, so.
Do you think other people should dine this way as well?
Yeah, it's cheaper. You don't have to waste your money. Like here it's expensive, so more pocket change. And your meal's already included as a student.
be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself
standing in the Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
'Cause you burn with the brightest flame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile.
You could be the hero, you can get the gold. Breaking over records they thought never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. Are you ever gonna know if you never even try?
Do it for your country, do it for your name. 'Cause there's gonna be a day when you're
standing in the Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
'Cause you burn with the brightest flame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame.
Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion.
On the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions. Standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you burn with the brightest flame.
I personally don't care if it takes longer to make a home-cooked meal. I'd much rather take that time than go to the cafe and risk having something that I don't like. I'd rather make my own meal and know exactly what it's going to taste like, and it's going to be a lot cheaper and taste a lot better.
Overall, what we found out was most people prefer home-cooked meals, so that's what we tried, and honestly, it brings people together more than eating in the cafe does, because you work together to cook it, to clean up, to eat it, so it brings out just a better environment in general.
If you have never tried cooking before, we hope that you will try cooking and see the difference between home-cooked meals and the food in a cafe.
I prefer a home-cooked meal rather than the cafeteria food, knowing that it is going to be what you want and healthier, and tonight's food was really good. Personally, I prefer home-cooked meals. I'm not a patient person, so I don't like the time that it takes, but I think home-cooked meals are better and healthier. And the meal tonight was really good and tasty, and it was healthy.
Learn like McDonald's, and like their hamburgers like 15% real meat, and the other like 75 is like a pink gooey something.
This can be so parmesan-y.
Every now and then I'll let myself slip up and eat Rice Krispies out of a pan with a fork.
Who's your professor?
Nasham.
You're bad at what you do.